Doctor, no. Magic, yes. My spine got a reset. My bones said thank you. Painful, but worth it. That was a life-changing crack. I felt that through the screen.
You can literally lift people up from the scapula.
Bro fixed my whole life.
Oh!
There it is.
Oh my god.
That crack was louder than my problems.
You're doing great, buddy.